Okay guys, so I need 1,000 subscribers. Okay, 1,000. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away 5,000, 4,000 and 3,000 Jamaican dollars to 3 lucky winners if you're in Jamaica. If you're not in Jamaica, then you get the equivalent in US dollars. So anyways, to enter this competition, all you have to do is just subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So let me tell you the exact steps. So you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Once you have done that, you're gonna screenshot it as proof. Then you're gonna head over to my Instagram page and you're going to follow me on Instagram. You're gonna DM me that proof that you have actually subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you're gonna find this video, my giveaway video, on Instagram, and you're gonna tag 5 friends, right? That's it. Again, you're gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, screenshot that proof, head over to Instagram. You're gonna follow me on Instagram. You're gonna DM me that proof that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. You're gonna find this post, my giveaway video, on my page, and you're going to tag 5 of your friends. That's all. Easy as that. And you could win 5,000, 4,000 or 3,000 Jamaican dollars. The deadline to enter is December 22nd. So you have until December 22nd to enter this competition, and the winner will be announced on December 23rd. Okay, that's it. Easy breezy like that. You could get money. Good luck, and I'll see you on the 23rd.